The video demonstrates the workflow of the simulation environment for multi-perspective simulation by using the example of the interaction of a web-based front-end and back-end simulation components via a middleware called SimController. We start with the creation of a new project, here via the desktop application of the front-end, the SimUI, which was enhanced in the E2Comation project. With this enhanced front-end, typical processing and packaging plants, such as filling lines of a brewery, can now also be created fairly easy in the user interface of the simulation environment. From a toolbox on the bottom of the screen, the typical machines of a filling and packaging line can be selected and linked together for a material flow model for a simulation study. In this video sequence, the simulation model of a line of the E2Comation partner, Mahou Brewery, is being created. In addition to the standard input of material flow simulations such as the cycle time of the machines or faults, defined by mean time to repair and mean time between failure, special parameters for packaging machines can also be specified in the front end. Another important enhancement designed in the E2Comation project is the option of parameterization of energy and media consumption of the linked elements. It is possible to differentiate between constant consumption and consumption depending on the speed of the machines as a linear function. When a model is complete, the simulation is started directly from the front end, triggering a simulation job on the back end. The simulation job with all model data is submitted from the front end to the SimController, which runs in the background on a simulation server as a web service. The SimController starts and monitors the simulation with the model data submitted from the front end. In this case, a PAC-C simulation is processing the model on. At the end of a simulation run, the simulation submits the result data back to the front end via the SimController. In the front end, results are presented in a KPI dashboard. In addition to the typical simulation results such as the output of the line, this also includes the energy and media consumption of the individual machines and the entire line. The simulation can be repeated multiple times with other, changed parameters. These may be collected directly on the shop floor, for example. In conclusion, the integration of proven concepts and tools such as the PAC-C simulation system, the SimController and corresponding front-end components enables platform-integrated cloud-based simulation.